The following message is transmitted at the request of the New Mexico Police Department. The New Mexico Police Department are asking all residents of the New Mexico state to stay indoors at 12 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. A shelter-in-place warning has been issued for the entire state of New Mexico. Residents are urged to take shelter immediately. There have been reports of being seen in many locations across the state. As a precaution, residents are required to shelter in place. Do not try to approach the beings.
That was a nice wake-up call. Beings, what the hell does that mean? It's been, what time is it now? Oh god, it's been 2 hours. Anyways, I got welcome to another vlog once again. I was supposed to get up at 7 a.m. but now, of course, I got woken up. I tried to sleep, but it's been 2 hours since the first alert, and I'm still up. I have no idea anymore. The power is out, which is disappointing. So I don't know why. This another alert.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Department of Homeland Security and Emergency Management. At 2:15 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, the Department of Homeland Security and Emergency Management has issued a civil danger warning for all of New Mexico. Do not go outside. Protect yourself at all costs. If you see anyone outside, don't try to help them. For your own safety, do not go outside. Do not let anything inside. Keep yourself away from any windows or outside doors. Stepping outside may put your life in danger. There are multiple reports of these beings. Many don't come out alive. Keep yourself safe. Don't go outside.
That's kind of an odd message to relay. I hope it's just some kid fucking with the emergency alert system. On the other hand, I should start taking action. Friend? Dell, what's going on? I wish I knew. Let me in. Alright then. Okay, what the hell is going on? Well, there may be something threatening civilians. No shit. Dude, there is something out there. And it doesn't sound natural. What do you mean by that? I heard people screaming. Same here. And I also heard some shrieking noise. I think there's something threatening out there. Oh yeah? I saw a guy get his head ripped off by some big claw or so. Real shit? Yeah, them and the radio. Radio. Well, let's hear it.
They are no longer here. It's safe to come out. There is no more danger. You can come outside now. Don't panic. Come to us. Don't panic.
That's it? No, and it may be even more dangerous now. How is this an unrecognized message? I know damn well my radio works and it's all up to date. Yeah, that's it right there. An unrecognized message. I don't think there's such thing as an all clear alert. And hell, the entire alert is wrong. Well, stay here more longer. Alright. Shit. No power.
Come to us. Don't panic. Come to us. Don't panic. Come to us.
Shut the hell up.
Don't panic.
Oi, Del.
Yeah, I'm awake.
Del, I think they're in a hotel. What makes you say that? What the shit? What the fuck? This is getting worse. We need to get out of here. It's not possible. Maybe more dangerous outside. Then what can we do? Stay and hope it doesn't find. Stay and hope it doesn't find us. Oh, well, let's get down to bed. Del, please don't do that. Del, what the? Shh. Okay, it's dead. Normally when someone says that, something bad happens. I guess it's really dead. Fuck. Del, what are you doing? I'm trying to open this window. What? You need to open the window. Well, as you can see, or you probably can't see, but I kind of shot down the monster. And it's like on the ground in front of the door of the hotel room. And of course, I'm not sure if it's dead or alive, and I don't want to take a chance. So I want to get out of this hotel room before anything happens. I don't want this monster busting into the room, and God knows what it will do to us. So, will you help me get this window open? Okay, I take that as a yes. Let's go. Get this window open for me, will ya? Oh, this is gonna suck. Ugh. Del, what time is it? Well, let me check that. It's 4 a.m. Damn. It feels like this night's gonna last forever. I'm sure the primary entry point systems are still up. I hope. Those guys have power generators and shit. The local weather radio station is now, so we won't be able to get any alerts. Don't forget we have cell phones. Yeah, I know, but I'm not sure if the cellular service got crapped too. For all we know, the primary entry point systems may be completely crapped as well. Oh, let's not think about that. That's like the last thing we need. Well, let's hope so. I'm surprised that an emergency action notification hasn't been issued. Well, maybe it just stayed blind. Let's hope so. Oh shit! Oh shit indeed. Oh shit indeed. Run! No! What the hell is going on? We'd be dead if it was right now. We've been dead right now. Wait! That's not a... friend. What the hell just happened? Okay. So it looks like this place is now in ruins. But the most important question is, since when did I bring a friend along to this trip? And where is he?